Hey VIPs, this is your favorite go-to gift gal, Simply Sarita, getting ready to announce our winner from the Love It or Leave It challenge. Last week we posted about the Llama Llamas large utility tote, and the majority of you all said leave it. So let's see who's the winner. Oops, I do that all the time. Oh, look at that. Hey, my one of my paparazzi stars over here. So you will actually get an opportunity to have a discount on a large utility tote. So they're on sale this month for $10 with the buy-in of $35. So when you purchase that, I am going to gift you $5 towards your tote. How stinking awesome is that? Yay! Give her a big round of applause, and then we'll be back to announce our other winners. Congratulations!